Hi everybody, Adam with BRUCO here. Just want to take a moment today to discuss another reconditioned piece of equipment we have here at BRUCO. This is a Tennant 1610 ReadySpace carpet extractor. I'll explain what ReadySpace is here in a moment, but this is a 22-inch cleaning path and a 21-gallon solution tank. The machine is battery operated for convenience, and in extraction mode, which most people are familiar with, the machine uses two heavy-duty brushes that are counter-rotating in order to lift the pile of the carpet up as best as possible and flush it out of all soil and debris. We always recommend pre-spraying before that process, so we're not putting any carpet detergents in the machine. We're pre-spraying those on the carpet and then rinsing with the solution in the extractor. That process is pretty traditional, pretty typical. We're usually doing it multiple times per year, and we're trying to deep clean the carpet as best we can. And then we have dry times associated with that usually range in the hours, several hours range, anywhere from 4 to 5 hours to maybe up to 10 to 12 hours. And that is one of the difficulties for extraction is we have wet carpets to deal with. So ReadySpace mode allows us, instead of using those two brushes, we use what look like two big paint rollers. And these rollers are also counter-rotating so that on a daily basis, we can go in and clean carpets, and with those counter-rotating rollers, we're lifting the pile as well, keeping that carpet fresh and looking good. And it allows us to go in and remove the soil from the top layer of the carpet. It is not a deep cleaning process, but it removes the daily soil just like we would on hard floor. So on a hard floor surface in a school, hospital, or institution, we would typically dust mop and then auto scrub on a daily basis. The 1610 ReadySpace mode allows us to do that on carpets. We would simply vacuum like we normally would, and then we could use the ReadySpace to auto scrub the carpet on a daily basis. Cleans the top layer of carpet, gets the soil and debris out, and now the carpets are dry in 30 minutes or less. Really allows us to keep the life of the carpet longer, and throughout the life of the carpet, it looks good. So we don't end up with traffic patterns, we don't end up with as many spots or stains, and we extend the life cycle of the carpet. So pretty neat machine as far as that goes. The batteries in this machine have just been replaced. It takes 4 6-volt batteries. You can't see them in the video, but the machine opens very easily. There's 4 6-volt batteries in the machine, and the machine is pretty much ready to go. This machine has 170 hours on it. Typically, we would expect to get probably closer to 1,000 to 1,500 hours on this type of unit. So it's got a lot of life left in it. A new machine of the same exact type would sell for somewhere in the neighborhood of $13,000 to $14,000, and this unit is available for $4,950. So with a lot of life left. So if this is of interest to you, if you have any other questions, please reach out to your BRUCO business advisor or call us here at BRUCO at 1-800-652-1020. And I hope this was helpful for you, and we look forward to working with you in the future. Thank you.